truly compassionate. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share is about be truly compassionate. I will bring you to the book of Colossians 3:12. Therefore, as the elect of the God, holy and beloved, put on tender mercies, kindness, humility, meekness, and long-suffering. It's an every one of us. Sometimes we need to be truly compassionate. The Bible talks a lot about compassion. When Jesus was here on earth, He shows us a wonderful example of someone who was truly compassionate. He spent day after day healing the sick, lifting up the downhearted, and ministering to the countless needs of others. The dictionary describes compassion as a feeling of deep sympathy and sorrow for another who is stricken by misfortune, accompanied by a strong desire to alleviate the suffering. True compassion starts with love in our hearts for mankind. When we see someone crying, hungry, sick, or in pain, a compassionate heart longs to be able to help. In some cases, that is possible by giving food to the hungry, finding shelter to the homeless, and a comforting hug to the grieving. When we find ourselves helpless to make a difference, it's important to remember that there is always someone we can turn to for help, and that person is God, the only healer of our hearts. And the Lord, it says in Psalms 116:5, as it says, "The Lord is gracious and righteous." Our God is full of compassion. And in 1 Peter 3:8, it says, God's message is clear. Finally, all of you be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Choose today to be more like Jesus and ask God to put more love in your heart for others so that you may be truly compassionate like Him. Be compassionate like Jesus, as it says in Luke 19:41. Now as He drew nearer, He saw the city and wept over it, saying, "If you had known even you, especially in this day, the things that make your peace is God, but now they are hidden from your eyes." But a certain Samaritan, as he journeyed, came here he was, and when he saw him, he had compassion. Remember the good Samaritan. He had compassion. Therefore, he helped the wounded person, pouring on oil and wine, and he set him on his own animal, brought him to an inn, and took care of him. But whoever has his word goods and sees the brother in need and shuts up in heart from him, how does the love of God abide in him? It says in 1 John 3:17. Yes, I am sharing this with you, these verses, because these verses inspire me today to be more compassionate, to be more understanding of other people's need. Yes, it is. Our God is full of compassion, and He wants us to be like Him. We have to soften our heart to be willing to help others, to be giving food to the hungry, to find shelter for the homeless, to comfort a hug for the grieving. It is very important that we can use our compassion to others, to help others, to be there for them. It is a work as a human being to do and to be like Jesus. Be more compassionate with your life today. Understand the needs of others. What you have given to others, the love, the hug, is no price at all. You are showing them an unconditional love which only God can give that to us. Therefore, you have to understand, no matter what you are suffering right now, there are always many people need your compassion. Be compassionate, be there for them, and be like Jesus. You are blessed. You have everything you need. All you have to do is to share and show your compassion to others like Jesus. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here. I love you all and bye-bye.